My sister gave me a bling license plate cover because she knows the weight of my heart is sparkle, and I had an idea for a new project that I just could not let go of. I know it's a little bit crazy, a little bit unconventional, but I just had to try it. So I got an adhesive rhinestone sheet from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and I've made tumblers and I've done a computer cover, but never on a car. I have no idea if this is going to work out, and some people may think this is dumb and a little extra, but
I do not care.